Is your furnace acting up? Let's talk through signs that mean it's time for furnace maintenance. Hi there, I'm Bree Zarbach, Furnace Product Manager at Carrier. The first thing you may want to look for is a lack of comfort or no heat coming from the registers. If changing the temperature on the thermostat doesn't help, the problem could be with the thermostat or furnace itself. The second sign is higher than normal heating bills. Dirty, dusty buildup on components like air filter, heat exchanger, or blower assembly can affect performance. A third sign is unusual smells coming from the furnace or the registers. The smell of rotten eggs can indicate a gas leak. A burnt smell might either be dust burning off of the furnace at the beginning of the season, or a bigger issue like a motor going bad or electrical wiring issues. The fourth is if the furnace is making loud or unusual noises. If the noise is more than the typical click and whoosh of a burner firing up and air flowing through the ductwork, it might be time for a professional inspection. Lastly, if the furnace turns on and off frequently, this is also called short cycling. Short cycling can occur if the system's safety sensors trip, which can be for a variety of reasons, including no burner flame detected with the gas valve open or overheating due to poor airflow. Short cycling can also occur if the system is oversized for your home. These are issues that should be investigated. If you notice any of these signs, it's a good idea to schedule furnace maintenance to keep your system running efficiently and safely. Reach out to your local Carrier dealer. They're ready to help restore your comfort.